Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is sticker day. Yay! I know, a little bit excited. Actually, I'm freezing cold over here. It's a snow day, so I'm taking advantage of that. Alrighty, so what I've done, I've made my canvas size 7632 by 6480. And that's just because that's the biggest size for Redbubble. I'm making stickers for Redbubble. So what I've done traditionally is just draw my girl. Yeah, she's in wraps today. And then I took a picture on my Surface Pro. Sorry about the shaking. And then I go ahead and import the image and do another sketching over that, and then customize it according to my liking. So as I mentioned, the 7632 pixel is the biggest size that Redbubble will take. It can cover up to a duvet, so just in case somebody would like this on a duvet, it actually will work. The print will look really good. I'm also using Autodesk Sketchbook. In the future, I'm going to be trying another program, but I gotta get used to it first before I bring it to you. So I'm using a deep blue to do her wrap. I'm using the straight line wand, as well as I'm alternating on and off, just because I want some of the lines to be nice and smooth and some to be a little bit jagged and freehand. I just have a fascination with wraps now. I know I go through phases. I do shoes, I do wraps, I do girls' faces. Now I'm doing head coverings, and I find it pretty relaxing. So I'm just bringing this to you. What I will be doing most of all is minimizing and zooming in and out frequently, because if you realize when using a program, if you just draw on the smaller size of the canvas, you will miss all the details that you need to get in. And because I want to use the fill, the autofill, I now realize that if all your lines aren't touching, even though they seem as if they are, when you do the autofill, it will not block everything out. It will just block the whole canvas out, and that is just terrible. So I make sure that I zoom in and out frequently to make sure all the lines are actually touching. As you can see, it just happened to me. So somewhere along the line, my lines weren't touching. Today I'm trying a different method where I use colors instead of just black ink. And I want to see what the result will be. So because I've done this before and I know the end result, I think it's pretty awesome. And I'm using the eraser. It comes in really handy, where you can get your lines nice and smooth and straight. Sorry, not straight, but to the dimension or the size or the curve that you want it to. You don't have to undo all the time. What I'm doing is still using my reference image behind, so I go in and out with the opacity and turning it off, where I don't have to see the original image. So I'm working on my second layer, my first layer canvas, right? Because I made a brand new one, brand new layer. So I'm working in and out of that because I want to see what my work is as I'm doing it. So I turn off the background image, and then I will go and look at what the image that I'm working on looks like. But I'm still using the original to do my guided lines. I hope I didn't confuse you there. So I find the colors pretty vibrant in Autodesk Sketchbook. I like to use the Copic colors too, but sometimes I like to do the wheel all by itself and just choose my own colors. I pretty much love the airbrush. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, how to use it and to not go out of the lines. So I'm still a newbie to this program, and I'm learning it as I go along. But so far, I tried Autodesk Sketchbook and I do like it. I don't know if I have the correct version because I don't have time lapse on this. I do have it when I've downloaded on the phone, but I can't seem to find it. Some of the options seem to be missing, so I'm wondering if I have the correct version. Anyhow, it's working for me so far because I can do a speed drawing as I record. But it would be nice if I actually had time lapse on it. So somebody please update me if I'm not in the loop. So what I've done is turn my canvas around and turn my image actually around, because what I realized, even though this is the biggest size that Redbubble will take, somehow the image sometimes will be just turned the wrong way, and when you upload it, it is crossway and not looking like you want it when you upload it. So you have to just be careful to watch your layer and see the position that your image is actually turned. So that's a good point to note. So I did have lots of fun working on this piece. As you can tell, the black and white, or the blue and white image with a little bit of pink, look really good so far. And I almost just wanted to just save it as is that there. But then I'm like, okay, let's continue. Don't be tempted to go halfway. But it does look good all by itself there. So I'm zooming in and out again. I'm playing around with the pinks, and I'm gonna also play around with the airbrush with different shades like black and so forth, just to see how it will work out. I'm working on getting the autofill to actually do for the airbrush as well. But this definitely is done for a sticker. So anyone who is thinking of getting a fun, funky, crazy sticker, there you can go to my channel at Redbubble. So it's Crush and Covers at Redbubble, and you can definitely find it. So that's what I'm talking about when I talk about the autofill. See how the back of it and the heart, I'm actually filling it in. So when I was drawing her color, I realized that I need to actually make the lines touch, because my intention was to get the background filled. And then once I'm done, I make sure that it is transparent and saved it in PNG.